All right, we're here at the Pine Cove Tavern, and inside of the game room, there's the projector screen. Here's the projector. I will say, I usually bring my own Apple TV up here, so if you have a Amazon Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, would definitely recommend that. It just makes things a lot easier for usability. But in terms of the projector here, we've got it set up on a tripod. It should be more or less angled exactly where you need it. Now, when you turn this on, it can take a second. So I'm going to hit the button. And you see how it just glows red right there? Sometimes it takes 1-2 pushes, but just give it some time. It'll light up there with the stars and the nebula sign up. And it should show you nebula there. And once that's on, just let it load up. If you plug in your Apple TV, it loads a lot quicker because it doesn't have to use the internal software. But this thing should be ready to rock. Great for movie nights. You should be able to connect to it from your phone via Bluetooth if you want to use it as a speaker as well. So hope this helps and have a great time.